Hello teacher. Now I will talk about the advantages and disadvantages of each modification in the photo below. In the first photo, raspberries are reserved by ra- radiations. The good thing is they stay fresh longer and don't go bad quickly. But radiations may be dangerous if used too much. It can make people sick. In the second photo, the raspberries are not reserved. They look out and have moved. This is not safe to eat. The best thing is they go back quickly and cause food waste. In the third photo, the chicken is natural food. It's healthier and safer for people. But this chicken grows slowly and farmer make less money. In the last photo, the chicken is very big. It grows fast because of chemicals. This help farmer make more money, but it may not be healthy for people. The chicken may have health problem too. In my opinion, natural food is better, even if it costs more. Health is more important than size or speed. Thank you for your listening.